I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install G++ compiler in Linux. Then after here, run this code. So first here, let's go on this and open the terminal. There, you need to write the command. So you need to write the command sudo then dnf install G++. So when you use this command, here you can get installing GCC zip C++ and this all. Here this will take 45 MB, the disk space size. Right Y, press enter. So this here downloading as well as installing the G++ compiler inside the Linux machine. So this completed GCC C++ this version that install. Then after let's check their version. Right there G++ then version. Here you can see this version that install. Now thereafter here testing the code. So here I'm going to run this code and let's click on this save and saving on this document. So let's write there hello.cpp. For C++, we need to give the extension cpp. So this saved there. After that, the next is let's close this. Go on this and here files, opening the document. So cpp file is there. Right click, open in terminal. Then we need to compile this one hello.cpp. So let's write there G++ then hello.cpp. Okay, we need to give the capital letter because this is not considering the files. So here a.alt file that's come there. Now write there dot then here backward slash write a.out. So hello world that's displaying. Now the next is let's do some changes. Here giving the dot so many times, save that and now close. Thereafter again you need to compile this. So this compile and write there dot. So here hello world dot that's displaying. So this is the most simplest way we can run C++ program and install G++ compiler inside Linux terminal. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.